Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome for the first time. So this video was originally supposed to be showing you how I tried the wet look on my hair, but no. Update. So the wet look dried. Basically, I felt like the wet look is pretty much a wash and go, only it requires way more gel, like tons and tons of gel plastered onto your scalp and your hair. And I don't know about you guys, but I cannot stand a sticky wet neck or scalp, especially if I have to sleep in it. Like, I feel gross. So this is probably, I might give it one more try, the whole wet look thing, but I don't think I'm going to be revisiting this anytime soon. It looked like a wash and go with way more product. I feel like the style can be saved. So I decided, instead of completely washing all the gel out and wasting all that money on that expensive gel that I love to use, I was just going to turn it into a different style. So this video is going to be me showing you guys how I transform this semi-fail of a style into something that I would normally wear. And I'm going to show you the second thing that I've been using for my skin that has really cleared it up and made me so glowy looking. I love it. So stay tuned and let me show you what I did. This is my hair the next day. I did something terrible, like rule number 1 of natural hair. I slept on my hair with no scarf, no silk pillow, nothing. This is just me and my hair. But let's just quickly give an applause to the makeup that lasted all night. Anyways, this is how I am removing my makeup. I'm using one of my secret ingredients to remove it and break up the makeup. And then I'm going to grab my Mix Easy Gentle Face Cleanser. So they reached out to me to try the product and make a video about it. So that's what I'm doing. Anything that I've used in this video, anything you see, will be in the description box. You'll also have a link to a discount. So check that out, you guys. If you've watched my vlog channel, you know I've had problems in the past with bougie skincare that really tore my skin up. So when Mix Easy reached out to me, I had to do my own research, and I was pretty pleased to find that their ingredients are catered to your skin. So I researched and found out what my skin needed, and they had more than enough options on the website, so you can customize your skincare even down to the fragrance. I personally like fragrance-free things, and the fact that Mix Easy is vegan and cruelty-free, it sold me. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and try this, and I really like it. As you can see, my skin is happy. I haven't had radiant glowy skin in so long, and this Mix Easy with the combination of the Duval, the spin brush that I did a video on previously, these two have been working wonders for my skin. The first step is applying that gentle face cleanser to a damp face, and then I'm going to work that into my skin using the spin brush. Wow, made a mess, but that's okay though. So this is how my skin looks after I've rinsed the cleanser. It's my skin. It's looking good. How cute. Aww. While I do my hair, I'm going to apply the face mask and let that sit on my face until I finish the braids. So I like the fact that this comes sealed already. I'm going to go ahead and apply that with my little face mask application brush. I love this thing. Check the description box because I do have those listed down below. And what I didn't tell you guys was, after I rinsed that cleanser off my face, I went ahead and dampened my hair. Actually, it's more than damp, it's pretty wet. I don't want my hair to completely dry out, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my favorite leave-in conditioner just before I do the braids. I can't take myself seriously. Look at me. I worked the leave-in into my hair, and then it was time to start braiding. So my secret to a really good braid out is uniform sections when you're braiding. When you're incorporating the loose pieces of hair into the braid, you want to grab pretty even sections, or else the braid out just doesn't look uniform, unless that's what you're going for. So clearly I put too much product in, but I'm not going to waste it. I just put it right back on the top of my head. And this is my skin after I've rinsed off that mask. I can't get over how glowy it looks. So while my face is still damp, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the anti-aging cream. I chose this one because I wish I would have taken skincare more seriously, like in my 20s and even in my teens. Before I massage the anti-aging cream into my face, I'm going to put the eye serum under my eye and dot that in and kind of press it into the skin. I actually keep my skincare in the refrigerator because I really love the feeling of like cool skincare just being massaged into your face. I'm not sure if that makes a difference, but I just like the feeling of it. Whenever I'm applying my skincare, I don't care what time of day it is. Right now it's like the middle of the day, like late morning, but no matter what time it is, I always take my time because this is my little me time to really take care of myself and, you know, pamper yourself. That's what I like to do. So I take my time and really rub this in, kind of give myself a little facial massage. And don't forget to apply it to your neck. You can't neglect your neck when you are doing your skincare. Oh, and you know what does not go well with a radiant, glowy skin? It's ashy lips, so don't forget to put some lip balm on your lips when you're doing your skincare. That's part of your face too. Don't neglect them, guys.
Maybe. Why'd you make such a mess? You messy. You messy. Messy donut. What are you making?
I'm making a famous Chloe wrap.
Ooh.
Chloe style.
Bacon. Not bacon, it's faking.
So, the tortilla.
Now it's later in the afternoon and I've eaten, so I'm happy. And it's time to take the braids down. It's been sitting for a couple hours and my hair right here is completely dry. So before I take my hair down, I put a little bit of oil onto my fingers just to give it some extra shine. And this is what my hair looks like when it's taken down. Make sure when you're doing a twist out or a braid out like I just did to connect your hair and fluff it in the back where the part was. When I do a braid out, I personally like how throughout the day my hair gets bigger and bigger. But if you don't want your hair to get bigger, just don't use any gel. Unfortunately for this braid out, my hair stayed this exact same way throughout the entire day and the next day. And that's only because I had a little bit of gel left in my hair after I rinsed it from my failed wet look. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.